case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home?
Happy birthday, Lola Bebot!
Salamat sa mga paalala mo. Salamat sa kabutihan mo. Ang verse ko para sa iyo ay 2 Corinthians 9:7. At yun lang, nakaumiyak ako. Ayoko umiyak.
Ate Bebot, we miss you so much. And happy birthday ulit. At magkita tayo soon. Mahal na mahal po kita, Ate Bebot.
Won't you come back home again?
Now, may the birthday celebrant. Mama
Counted the hours I folded time, but nothing brings you back to mine. Still see your friends from time to time. They say you are doing fine.
Hi po, Lola Bebot. Wish ko po palagi ko pong safe and all blessed program po. Happy birthday po. We love you. Hi po sa ever fresh and ever supportive na Tita B. I wish you good health and happiness palagi. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your day.
Hello, Tita. Today is your 70th birthday, so
Hold you in my arms, won't let go.
wish you good
Ground could
health.
pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. Was in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in my You're the rose in Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters and look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes.
Mula nung si Sister Bebot ay nakakilala sa Lord, she never turned back. She never turned her back to God. And until now, she's the elder of our church. One of the elder of our church. And very generous. Mapagbigay. Open ang kanyang puso, kahit ang kanyang kamay sa pagtulong.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
We love you. See you soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that
I love you and I miss you. Na-miss ko na yung bonding
just
natin.
I pray na patuloy kang palakasin ng Lord. Hindi lang sa health, kundi pati sa spiritually.
Forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel.
Ito na ang tunay na surprise ko sa'yo. Wish you all the best and thank you sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa amin. Alam ko naman na lagi ka nandyan sa amin, lagi ka nakaalalay, lagi kaming laman ng prayers mo.
Alam mo, ang malaking regalo na pinakaloob sa iyo ni Lord is yung nagkaroon ka ng magandang pamilya, napagmahal ng mga anak.
Ang mapagpala at maligayang kaarawan sa ibot. Salamat sa Panginoon sa patuloy na kalakasan at bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan ng ating Panginoon. Patuloy kang patatagin at patuloy kang palakasin ng ating Panginoon. Layo ka sa anumang mga karamdaman. Enjoy your day to the fullest and God bless you dearly.
Visions mo as our salvation.
I sing this softly.
Papasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga gumawa ng program. Si Ena, si Inoue, si Andrew, salamat nyo sa pagmamahal. Si mama ko si Erwin, siyempre si Brian, na talagang very support sa nandiyan. Kasama ko lagi nandiyan na sumunod sa akin.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul. Chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole.